Get ready to unveil the hidden magic of Excel's copy and paste features. Welcome to a journey that will transform the way you work with your data, making your spreadsheet shine like never before. Step into the future of data manipulation with Excel's cutting-edge features. Get ready for a journey that will bridge the gap between your present and a futuristic spreadsheet experience. Welcome Excel pointers to the next evolution in data handling. It's time to explore the future-ready techniques of copying and pasting data, unlocking Excel's potential for a data-driven tomorrow. Let's make sparks fly as we demystify copying and pasting data with Excel's hidden gem. Are you ready to transform your spreadsheet experience? Let's dive in. Let's start Excel's magic. For example, here I have some data of company for some past years, how much items they sold, returned, or total items. So I have gathered total items by using formula at there by doing sum of above the two numbers. So I will get the total items in this cell. So I just want to copy these and I want this data somewhere else. For example, I want there beneath this. So I just copy it and paste it. But here I have got some problem. All the entries are 0 because here I used formula. So it also use cell above this, not using same thing. So that's why all the values become 0. So don't worry, we have some paste special options to cover up this problem. So here we have, for example, I want to paste it there. I just right click it. Again we go to copy it. Copy. I want to paste it there. Go to paste special. Here we have a lot of options. For example, first of all, we have option of all, which is same like as we did from shortcuts. Just Control C and V. Formulas, it will only copy formula from your selected data and paste it. Now again we have option of values. It will only paste values. Formats, for example, it only paste borders, text formats only. Comments and notes, it will only paste comments and notes which is added to your copied data. And data validation techniques, which is already discussed, it will only paste this. And again we have all except borders, column widths, whichever you want to use you can use. Here I want only values. These values same as there. I just select values, press OK. Like you can see, it did not copy any of format. It just copied the values and paste it there. But here is another problem. For example, if I updated value at there, I updated it by like this. It updates the value at there but did not there because it is only values. There is no formula there. So if I want to also place formula, I just copy. It will not copy your formula. Let me show you example. Paste special, paste link. Here you option of paste link. Now it linked this data with this cell. For example, use cell reference is equal to B6. It did for all of this. Now this time, every time I make some changes, it will be auto updated there because it is linked with this. So it is linked with above 2 by using some formula. So it's a chain which it is using. For example, I want to copy its formatting. Just copy. I want to paste only formats because it is not formatted. So just go to paste special, formats, select it, press OK. Like see, it is formatted. Again we have some more options. Let me check. For example, I want to paste only paste special. For example, I want to paste all except border. I don't want borders, but I want all requirements like this. There is no border, but all the things are copy and paste it. Here I want some changes in my data. For example, I want to show my data like my years show, which is now in row. I want to present it in column and all these in rows. So manually it takes too much time. We can do it from copy paste. Just select the data which you want to change into columns or rows. Just copied it, go to where you want to paste it, paste special. Here you have an option of transpose. Transpose actually work. It converts columns into rows. Just check it and press OK. Like boom. Your whole data is converted into columns into rows and rows into columns. Even formula is also converted. It's a too much time saving and crazy feature of paste. So moving to our another operation or some amazing Excel paste special feature, which is my totally favorite. For example, I want to add some numbers to them. So it's a small data, you can do it manually, but we have an option of copy paste. Just I enter, I want to multiply this number by 59. I just doing for example 60 and I want to multiply this number by 10. So I want to multiply these two numbers to these two cells respectively. I just select these two, copy it, where I want to paste it, select it, right click on it, paste special. Here you have an option of operation from where you can add, subtract, multiply, divide your numbers to your selected cell. For example, I want to multiply it, just select multiply, OK, like see, it is multiplied. Thank you for joining us on this enchanting Excel journey. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and prepare for more magical Excel revelations ahead. Until next time, let's keep the magic alive in our spreadsheets.